Samsung has solidified its position as the world's leading foldable smartphone brand. According to Counterpoint Research, in the third quarter of 2025, Samsung shipped more foldable phones than any other brand globally, accounting for a whopping 64% of all foldable smartphone shipments. To put that into perspective, Samsung held a 56% share in the same quarter last year. This means the company achieved an impressive 32% year-over growth in the foldable segment. The launch of the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Galaxy Z Flip 7 played a significant role in driving this growth, attracting both new and returning customers. Behind Samsung, the second and third spots were claimed by Huawei and Motorola, holding 15% and 7% of the market respectively. Interestingly, these rankings are the same as in Q3 2024, showing consistency in their foldable smartphone sales. Other brands like Honor and Xiaomi follow, with 6%, 4%, and 2% market shares, rounding out the top 6 in the global foldable market. The report also highlights that the global smartphone market grew by 14% year-over-year. Experts predict that this growth will continue into 2026, offering Samsung an opportunity to further expand its presence in the foldable market. However, the upcoming launch of Apple's first foldable iPhone next year could present a new challenge for Samsung as it tries to maintain its lead. In addition to its successful Fold and Flip series, Samsung recently introduced the Galaxy Z TriFold, marking the company's first smartphone with a tray folding display. This launch represents Samsung's ongoing commitment to innovation in the foldable space, pushing the boundaries of what smartphones can do. For those interested, the unboxing of the Galaxy Z TriFold provides a closer look at this unique device. Samsung's dominance in foldable smartphones is not just about shipping numbers. It reflects the company's ability to innovate and capture consumer interest in a segment that is still relatively new. The combination of design, performance, and brand loyalty has allowed Samsung to maintain a strong lead over competitors. Looking at the broader market, foldable smartphones are gradually moving from niche products to mainstream options. Samsung's success demonstrates that consumers are becoming more comfortable with devices that offer flexible screens and new form factors. With 64% of the market under its control, Samsung is in a prime position to influence trends and set standards for the future of foldables. Competition is also heating up. Huawei, Motorola, and other brands are slowly expanding their offerings, while Apple's entry into foldables next year is expected to shake things up. This could create a more competitive landscape, forcing Samsung to continue innovating to stay ahead. Overall, Samsung's growth in the foldable smartphone market highlights the company's strong strategy and commitment to innovation. From the Galaxy Z Fold and Flip series to the newly launched TriFold, Samsung continues to define what it means to lead in foldable technology. The coming months will be crucial as competitors enter the market and consumer demand for foldables grows, but Samsung's current lead shows it as well, prepared to face these challenges. Samsung's journey in foldables is a perfect example of how innovation, timing, and market understanding can combine to create industry leadership. As foldable technology becomes more mainstream, Samsung's role as a pioneer in this space seems more secure than ever.